It's important to create relationships with manufacturers to get the best pricing for your DLA contracts. Sometimes, the best relationships are formed with local manufacturers. In this tutorial, we'll learn how to use Loocey's search features to find local DLA manufacturers or distributors. Note, we only want to find manufacturers, distributors who are already listed as approved sources in DLA DIBBS. To locate these companies, simply go to DLA Approved Sources page. You will see the list of companies along with their details. These companies can be either manufacturers or distributors. In fact, we have a type column which will show you the type. To find local manufacturers, click on Filters. Add a new filter, and here you have multiple options to filter by. You can filter by city, state, or even zip code. The best way is to use the partial zip code. For example, if we wanted to find manufacturers or distributors in Los Angeles, we would add the following filters. Add a filter group. Then change the column to zip, condition to starts with, and value. 90, these will find all the companies that have zip codes starting with 90. But add another condition in the group filter, this time enter 91 for the zip and also make sure the group condition type is, or, so we will find companies with either 90 zip code or 91. Then hit apply. System will filter and show your approved source companies with these zip codes. Finally, do a save as and save the view. And let's give a name LA companies and save. And now that we have the list, we can contact them or even visit the facility to create a more in-person relationship. And of course, you can create more views based on one or many columns that fit your needs. That's it for today. Be sure to subscribe to our channel to be notified when we release new tutorials.